Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the DIAMOOKY brand metal magnetic phone mount for the Toyota 4Runner. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying.
All right, so as we get this out of the box, you'll find your instruction manual, again specific to 4Runners 2010 to 2024. You'll see a couple different options here for how it will mount. It does come with a L-wrench. So comes with a mag capability there. So again, just follow your instructions. We'll demonstrate it, but just want to show you kind of how this works. All right, so let's walk you through this. So first of all, you'll want to find this piece. This is adjustable, and this is going to just clamp onto the dash. And so you'll just literally kind of lefty-loosey it if you want, and this will open up. Now there is some padding there. You can put additional sticky if you want, just to make sure it stays in place, but there's already some padding in there. So next thing you'll do is find this piece, and this will have to unscrew a little bit, and you're just going to clamp it onto here. And sorry, I've got the O-ring there, magnetic, in case you need to put this on your phone. And this will just be a magnet for your that'll attach to your phone. And I may just need to, and this is where it gets kind of complicated. You kind of need to make sure that it's open enough. Now it does spring on each side nicely, so that you can put one in and then the other, and then just fasten it. And so what you'll want to do is get this to a position where it's relatively in place that you want it. And that way it'll start to lock in. So now it's not movable, so I'll just adjust just a little bit, and that will allow me to kind of adjust this however I want. Again, it can go kind of a lot of different ways. This can spin on this side. Won't spin up here, obviously, too much, just a little adjustment. But once I have it in place, I'll kind of lock that into the dashboard. First thing I would do is recommend you tighten it in to the dashboard. We'll demonstrate this on the car, but then this way we can just adjust into a position that we think is good for us, locked in, and then tighten, and it should be able to hold. So we'll show you this in the car. So I apologize about the lighting, but I'm putting this in at night, and so I wanted to just point out that, like, typically what you'll use is something like this, and it will have to go into the vent holes or a vent cover here, or vent pieces. The cool thing about this is it can actually go into the top as installed here. So hopefully you can see this. Really just takes some tightening. That part is a little bit hard. Utilizing that little wrench can be a little bit difficult, but overall not too bad. Then once that's done, you're just going to want to adjust this to a spot that's very comfortable for you to utilize, and then just tighten. And from there, might just take two hands to kind of lock it. You should be locked in place and ready to rock. So all you're going to do is just kind of put this on, and of course I have a phone that's not going to be set up for that. So let me take the case off so that we can show how easily that locks on. So much easier, and it's a pretty solid piece. Now again, what you may want to do is I have a case here, but make sure you put that little O-ring on the back so that it works. If you do have a case like this, this is really for my wife, who already has that on there, so she'll be able to kind of just crack that right on. And again, you will need to kind of loosen this piece up here, and I know I'm kind of long distance here. You'll need to adjust this to loosen everything. So that'll loosen the top, it'll loosen this whole base piece here. And once you just twist that a little bit, you can kind of move it around. But totally great lock, and hopefully this works. So for you, totally worth buying. Hopefully this review helped. Thanks for watching.